Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is MUHARNITA and you can call me Rima. I study at Padang State University, major in Family Welfare Education, and my concentration is fashion design. In this video, I want to tell you about history of fashion. Clothing has been around since time immemorial, but it is different what it is today. In the beginning, in ancient times, people didn't not wear clothes. But over time, when there is a change in the weather at that time, the temperature turns cold, so that they don't get cold, they use animal hair and skin or plant fiber to protect their bodies. As time goes, and the development of technology, people are getting to know the meaning of producing clothes. They can make their own clothes, fabric made from plant or animal fibers, and this clothing continues to develop until today. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry when I make a mistake, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.